Welcome to Leadtek Display. This is Harriet for Marketing Department. Long time no see. Today, I would like to show you around our branches with you. We are dedicated to the R&D, manufacturers and sales of LCD screen, touch screen, and integrated display solutions. And all our products has Part CE laws, FCC and ISO 900 certification. Leadtek FAE Technical Support Center and sales are located in Bantian, Shenzhen. And today in this video, I will tell you inside our vibrant branches in Fuyong, Shenzhen. Now let's go. Leadtek has experienced research, design, engineering, and testing to support our customers. The production facility covers an area of 600 square meters, and the factories realize fully automated production. Now, let's dive into the heart of the factories, the production floor. With the help of the industry-leading integrated production equipment and testing equipment, the company develops and produces TFT LCD for 1.01 to 31.5 inch, touch display and smart display. For raw material to finished products, each step is carefully monitored and optimized to ensure that our products meet the higher quality standards. Next, my colleague Edward will introduce more details of production equipment.
Hi everyone, my name is Edward. I come from Leadtek Display. It's my pleasure to introduce Leadtek Display production process. So in my hand, this one is for the cell we already cutting. In my hand, this one is for the machine to put the polarizer and also for all the process. In the first process, as you can see, the machine puts the cell into the equipment, and for the second step is for the clean the cells. After the clean the cells, we will have the machine for the drying. After drying, the first step we will put the up polarizer, and then also rotate 180 degrees, and then for the down polarizer. After the down polarizer, and then we will have the appearance inspection. After the appearance inspection, we will have the next step is for the function inspection for all parts.